In this video, I'm going to explain you how I did my exercise number 9, YAC. Thread access application is evaluating expression using ambiguous grammar. YAC is like yet another compiler. It's the meaning of YAC is that, and it's a Unix inbuilt operator, inbuilt unit, and it's like it generates a C code for the parts in the C programming language. Its specification consists of the mandatory rules, optional sections for definitions, and user subroutines. The declaration section for the definitions, if present, must be in the first section of the YAC program. The mandatory rules of the section should be like first percentage symbols. Then you have to give your subroutine section. It follows by another delimiter. If there is no need of delimiter, the rule section continues in the end of the file, and it's like create a YAC specification file. The specification file in the given declaration, I have to write the rules, the grammar being used, and write the necessary subroutine. For this, my YAC program is like this. Like this part of the program, it will directly copy paste in the C place, and my in the between the delimiters, I'm giving the rules, specified rules, what I'm going to do. For line, I'm giving it. If line gives to line, I'm going to print it, print space, and if it's like expression, I'm going to print as a expression, giving us expression value. And the second, if expression gives rise to expression plus term, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that first expression with the term. Here, $1 represents the expression, $3 represents the term, and $dollar represents this meaning expression. And otherwise, if it gives to expression minus term, I'm going to do it as expression 1 minus 3. If it's a term gives rise to term start factor, I'm going to do multiplication. If it's term divided by factor, I'm going to do division. If it's a factor, if it's like if I want between the bracket, between the closed brackets, it's an expression, I'm doing the factor. And number, if it's a number, it's like it's multiplied with the 10 and plus 2, like I'm doing the double digit addition over here. And now my program YYLX, it will separate it in the YYLX, like separate the tokens. And in C, I'm going character digit is C. It initializes its value YY value to C minus 0 and returning the number. In the main purpose, we are doing YY parse. It generates a parse tree and returning the word. In YY error, it shows any error that occurs in the tree. Now I'm saving this file as yak dot exercise 9.y. I'm going to save it as like yak exercise 9.y. Now I'm going to generate, like I'm going to compile the file using gcc.y.tab.c, as the file is named y.tab.c /a dot out. It's asking to enter the numbers, like I'm doing 56 plus 34. It shows the output as 90. This is my whole program for the YAC.